Do you want to create content but don't know how to do that, or you are very frustrated because it takes so long to create a single video and you are not able to upload videos consistently? Then this video is for you. As you know, consistency is really important on YouTube to grow. In this video, I will tell you how to create quiz video without investing much time so you can upload videos consistently on YouTube without getting frustrated. For that, you have to watch the full video without skipping any part. So before starting this video, I want to tell you I upload videos like this to help content creators. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to see my future videos. It's totally free, and make sure you turn the bell notification icon on so you don't miss out any new videos. And so without any further ado, let's dive into this video.
First, we need question and answer for our video. So we will use ChatGPT to create question and answer. I will post this prompt in the description box. You can copy this prompt from there and edit as per your need. This will create 10 GK question in table format, and we will use these questions in our video to create our video. In the next step, we will create a design in Canva. Go to the create a design and go to the videos. We will create this design for our video to put question and answer here. Now let's design the page. Go to the elements and select this rectangle shape. You can press R in your keyboard to create this rectangle. Resize this. Change the color to yellow. You can design your page the way you want to be, and go to the text. Here I will add an heading. GK challenge for you. Let's resize this. Now add an other heading. This heading will use for serial number. Now add another heading, and this will use for question. Make sure all the text are aligned to left side, and all the text should be stretched like this except serial number. Now I will add 4 more headings for 4 options. Here all the 4 options are created. Now let's duplicate this page. You can duplicate it from here, or you can press Ctrl D. Now add one more heading, 5th heading, for the correct answer, to show the correct answer. Let's change it to pink. Now we will add some animation here. Go to animate. You can choose any animation, and make sure all the animation should be on enter only. Animate settings should be on enter only, not both, like this. Add animation to the second page also. Make sure animate setting is to on enter only. Now here comes the magic. You can create even 100 or 1000 or lakhs question with few clicks using Canva bulk create option. Go to the bulk create and click on enter data manually, and here we will use the table we have created in our ChatGPT. So let's go to the ChatGPT and copy this heading Let's clear this table. Paste the heading. Paste the rest of the text. Copy the rest of the text first. And paste it here. Now all the questions and options are here. Click done. Now we need to connect these text here. Right click on the text, click connect data and click serial number. Here we will put question, so right click, connect data and click on question. Option B, option C and option D. This is our first page. Now for the second page, do the same thing. Connect the correct option also. Now just you have to click on this generate button, continue button and generate the 10 pages. And this will create 10 pages for you. Actually 20 pages because you have created 2 pages for one question. So as you can see, you can create even 1000, lakhs or any number of pages you want. Looks like correct option is showing not perfectly. So let's change the formatting of the correct option. Go to the second page and correct option. Align this to left and stretch the text field like this. I have told you when I was creating this page. Stretch all the text like this. Generate again, and now I hope the text will look perfect. Now this is looking perfect. Now our slide is also ready. Now you need voiceover for your video. For that you can upload your audio files. You can use your mobile phone to record your audio or your computer mic, and you can drag and drop those audio here. But for that you need a fast internet connection to do that. That's why I prefer video editor to add audio or voiceover to your videos, and I use free video editor, and I will also tell you how to use that. So let me show you how to do that. So before showing that, you have to download all of these pages. Make sure download pages as separate files are selected. So all your pages will download as a separate file, and make sure all pages timer are set to 10 seconds. Go to share, download and download as separate files. Click download. This is free video editor VSDC. You can download it for free. I will post the link in the description. Click on blank project. You can name your project and you can select any video resolution you want. Now we have our Canva files that we have downloaded and audio that I recorded. I will add voiceover on 3 questions only to make this tutorial short. Here are all the video files that we have downloaded from Canva. You can drag and drop on VSDC here. Click on add to layer. Here. Wait for few seconds, all the videos are here. Now drag it at the first position in the beginning. This is the first question, and now we will add audio that I recorded. Drag and drop first audio, put it here.
What is the capital of France? Option A, Berlin. Option B, Madrid. C, Rome. D, Paris.
As you can see, the question is not end, so let's drag this here and put the answer here. Adjust
Correct
it.
option is
Now I think
D,
this looks
Paris.
good. Second audio for the second question. Drag it here. Now drag it down.
Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? A, Charles Dickens. B, William Wordsworth. C, William Shakespeare. Or D, Jane Austen.
Now stretch the page and answer here.
Correct option is C, William Shakespeare.
Third question, third audio. Drag it down.
Which planet is known as the red planet? A, Venus. B, Jupiter. C,
Stretch the
Mars.
page.
Or D, Saturn. Correct option is C, Mars.
Now I am going to delete all the other files here, video here, and I will show you how to export this audio to upload on YouTube. Click on Export Project and select any format you want. There are many formats. Click on Conversion and click on Start Conversion to export your video. Click on Continue and this will export your video. Now let's preview our video and see how it looks.
What is the capital of France? Option A, Berlin. Option B, Madrid. C, Rome. D, Paris. Correct option is D, Paris. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? A, Charles Dickens. B, William Wordsworth. C, William Shakespeare. Or D, Jane Austen. Correct option is C, William Shakespeare. Which planet is known as the red planet? A, Venus. B, Jupiter. C, Mars. Or D, Saturn. Correct option is C, Mars. I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then please like, subscribe and share. That's it for this video. Until then, stay tuned and make sure you keep creating amazing content.